Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International again with another diorama accessory from MiniArt. They've been doing quite a few of these lately. So this one, as you can read, concrete telegraph poles. So you can see on the front of the box it's showing you've actually got telegraph poles, you've got three different types of, should we say, how the wires are attached to the poles. And there's one that looks like it's a street lamp as well. So what else do we have on here? We've got a couple of adverts on the side for street lamps and champagne and cognac bottles. I'll be doing a video on those shortly. On the back are the instructions, basically showing you get 4 larger sprues, 2 smaller sprues and another small sprue. Instructions real straightforward. Colours at the bottom. Called out in Vallejo, Testers, Tamiya, Humbrol, Bevel, Mr. Colour, and names as well, black, white and light grey. Side some instructions. So let's open the box up, see what we get inside. So inside is one bag with everything inside it. So it looks like everything's still attached everywhere. I'll be back in a second with the bags open. Okay, so this is the sprue. You get 4 of these sprues. So let's have a look, see what we get. Oops. 2 main concrete posts, quite a lot of small fine detail in plastic on this. Some very fine sprue attachment points. I'll put a close-up of this up in front of the screen now. And just scrolling across, you can see there's some fine detail on that metalwork there. There's isolators, street lamp, the post itself, which feels smooth underneath the fingers, and some fine details at the end. So basically it looks like for each sprue you can create this particular concrete post as either a street lamp or one of the 3 different types of attaching the wire. So each post you can do it whichever way you want. So you could turn this into 4 street lamp concrete posts, or 4 telegraph poles of all the same size, same type of a mixture. And then the other parts, you've got the glass that goes on the street lamps in clear plastic, and you also have some other small parts as well. And these are used. I shall have to look at the box again. That part's AF. They're the actual light bulbs that go inside the lamps. So there's 4 of those as well. So very nice detail. Look good in a diorama. I like the option that you can actually make these how you want. This, instead of being telegraph poles, this could be 4 concrete street lamps, and a mixture of how you want the telegraph or the wires to attach. The only thing I think you'll need to do with this kit is to add some rough texture to the concrete. Obviously concrete isn't smooth, so you can use pretty much any of the techniques that are out there, even just roughing the surface up with a brush, adding Mr. Surfacer to it, and then just stippling on that to make it rough. But other than that, you're good to go, and you've got 4 concrete posts of whatever type you want.